So one of the biggest things we've got today is being able to do scenario planning in real time. So if the board decides at the last minute of our budget process to ask me to add £1 million to our forecast, I'm able to go and a few clicks of the buttons in board, able to do that in half an hour. Previously, that would have taken us maybe 2 days in our previous Excel model, which meant that really we couldn't be adaptive and flexible in our planning process. At Virgin Experience Days, we believe that disconnection is becoming ordinary in society, and we're trying to change that by championing connection through our products and people and communities. So we inspire our customers to choose connection through a curated range of anti-ordinary gift experiences. So we make gifting easy, flexible and meaningful, and we also help people to create real lasting memories by deepening real human connections. So when I joined the company, we were planning everything on Excel. So we weren't able to plan as granularly as we wanted. We wanted to get down really to the product level. And we also had some unique things about our business. So things like planning our cash flow is quite difficult because we have to plan not only for when the sale is going to be made, but when the customer is going to actually redeem that voucher. So that was very difficult to plan in Excel, and we're able to do that in a much more automated way within Board. One of the main reasons for me that we chose Board was the fact that it was scalable. So while we had a small use case to begin with, we saw that we could add lots into the platform over the next few years, and it was going to grow with us as a business. We started off implementing FP&A, so we use it to plan our full P&L, balance sheet, cash flow, all our financial statements, but not just an out-the-box solution. We are quite different because we have some complexities, so we had to plan those bits separately and then link it all together. We've already put new things into the platform, so we had a phase 2 implementation where we expanded to plan more granularly by region, so by location. And going forward, we've got lots of ideas. So we're looking at planning by marketing channel. So if somebody comes to us through PPC or through social or organically, we want to plan for that sale a little bit differently. Board is a tool that I can really immerse myself in. So rather than just being high level and looking at the final outputs, even as a CFO, it's very easy for me to delve into the system, understand what's going on in the background, and sometimes make changes myself if I need to change the procedures. It's very easy for me to go in and make those amendments and change our system to how I need.